Hello YouTube. I'm out here working on a 2.7T cylinder head, doing the valve jobs, and I upgraded the springs with the Supertech valve train components. So upgraded springs for the 2.7. This is actually going on the 2.8 heads. This video is for documentation only. It's already got the exhaust valves cleaned, lapped already. So I'm not gonna show you how to go ahead and do this. There's people like PB Garage already have a full detailed videos regarding on how to assemble. Alright, thank you. Supertech valve springs is installed. Now we got some new intake springs, which is ready for 54 pounds. And the exhaust side is ready for 80 pounds. Got new valve guide seals. Now we'll move on to the next cylinder head. Until next time.